I'ma just do this and it ain't even gonna have no hook. Lie. He like the way she talk her shit. He like the way she walkin'. When she walk around, that's all he think about when he be seeing her. He don't want nobody else and she don't want nobody else. She just want him to do just like everybody else and be blind. Be blind to the fact he got about 3 other bras that he hitting it from the back and selling them number dreams. So she looking him in the eyes, asking him, what you mean? I thought that I was different. She thought that she was the down-ass broad who was gonna change this nigga life, have this nigga in her life, but now he seem like he don't wanna be up in her life. But these niggas be no different when your ass gets a missing and they wondering why when they ain't get no kisses and you leave them all alone and you messing with another. Then they crying and they wanna trying to kill you undercover cause they mad because they bitch you had the back when they ain't had nothing for this random broad. Now he left her with nothing, so now he be mad and shit, talking all bad and shit, hollering body love you, but I know he all mad and shit. It's really good, you gotta remember, respect the game, that's all it is. You were just a player, man, this game been played many years before you. It's just a repeated cycle, and the shit that you did, another nigga did it like a cycle. But now he mad because his bro, she done up and fucking left. She done packed everything, she ain't got nothing left. And now he mad. Man. So look, when that beat dropping, them hoes, they see that nigga, he ain't happy no more. They leave him on the side because that's the way that love go. It's a circle, repeated cycle, for real. If a broad see you happy, then that broad trying to kill. She be wanting to see what it feel like, to see what your broad feel like. And then she realized that she ain't never gonna feel like that other chick. It was something about her. You just try to replace it for the time, but shit is something about her. And now he mad because he let his bad chick go. She had everything, even his heart he had to go. He let it all go for just one night stand. His girl got tired, now she with another man. She with another man. Lie. But it takes a real nigga to understand when he did wrong, to allow his girl to leave, to let her leave his fucking home. He know he wrong. He know he wrong. But look, but I guess it's the way this thing go. It's called life a roller coaster. When I'm rolling around this bitch, it's like another